there's a few things that you should know and you should think about. One is, where are you going to send this money? There's two places. The most protected is a ledger. If you go to my affiliate link in the description, you help out the channel financially. I get a little reward every time somebody buys. But if you just go to ledger.com, ledger.com, you can go buy a ledger. I actually have the Nano X. You can do the Nano Plus. And I also have this password protector. Basically, what this cold storage wallet will do is it will keep your crypto safe. As long as these passwords are protected, no one can get into your crypto wallets. So this is what I do. But today, to be much quicker, because this you have to order and set up, I'm going to go into MetaMask. And if you don't have a MetaMask set up, you want to go to metamask.io. I'll put the link in the description. You want to download this. And what's going to happen is it's going to create a wallet here. Once you go through the steps, they give you a password that you will use anytime you want to get into your MetaMask wallets. But then there's a password to get into the MetaMask plugin. Those are two different things. There's a 12-word seed phrase to get into your MetaMask. And then there's to get into your blockchain transactions and to be able to make transactions. And then there's a plugin password just to be able to log into your plugin. So there's two different things. If you have it on your phone and your computer, there can be two different passwords, but the blockchain password has to be the same because that's what actually makes the transactions, and you do not want anyone else to get that. So once you have a MetaMask set up, you're going to have something like this as a window. It's going to say Ethereum. It's going to have zero everything because there's no money in it yet. And what we're going to do is we're going to go back to Coinbase and we're going to send money to that wallet. I'm in Coinbase. I do have a few bucks in here that I've had for more than 7 days, so I can send something out. All right, so I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so I go into Polygon. I go to wallet. So if you want to do this, you're going to have to buy the Polygon coin. Then you're going to have to send it to the Polygon blockchain. I'm going to show you that. So now I'm going to send all wallet address. So what wallet address? So I'm going to take this account that I just created for this, and I'm going to copy the wallet address. So by clicking this, you get the wallet address to send to. So now I'm going to go back to Coinbase. I'm going to paste this wallet address and I'm going to press continue. Here is where you have to make sure you do this step correctly. You have to select Polygon here. The default is Ethereum. You want to select Polygon because you're sending it to the Polygon blockchain. I won't go into depth of why in this video, but you're going to need to. Now I'm going to press send. Okay, so I have a security on my Coinbase that doesn't allow me to make transactions without being double checked. So I have an app on my phone that's an authenticator that will allow me to put this number in. This basically protects me against people hacking my Coinbase account and just sending money out. This number changes every, I don't even know, minute, I believe. If I catch it in time, if I don't, I just have to put the next number. It just keeps changing it every minute, I think. So now I've approved that it's me and it sends the money out. So right now I just sent 5 Matic to the wallet. Let's see if it got there already. This is actually the first time I used this new feature that Coinbase just activated, where you can send Polygon to Polygon's blockchain natively. But right now I'm on the Ethereum blockchain, if you see here. To get the Polygon blockchain, you have to go to polygonscan.com, which is another link I'll have in the description. You go to the bottom here, you see how it says add Polygon network? So once you press this, it'll pop up and it'll tell you to switch to the Polygon network, and it will add all the correct information to the Polygon network to your MetaMask account. So now I'm on here in Polygon and you can see already the Matic is in there. That was very quick. Literally in less time than I spoke, it was already there. That's awesome. All right, so now what is the next step to creating your crypto bank? Next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Aave. And again, the link will be in the description. Aave is a place where you can create your own crypto banks. Right now in Aave, there's almost $12 billion of people who have created their own crypto banks. So we're going to create one with less than $10 right now, just so you can see you don't need $1 million to do this. I've literally started out with less than $5. in Coinbase, I had less than $5 of Matic, and I'm still going to be able to create my own crypto bank. So I'm going to go here. You're going to connect the wallet, browse wallets. It connects to MetaMask. It says, okay. So now I'm in Aave, but this is the Ethereum market. You want to choose Polygon because we're in the Polygon blockchain. As you can see, I have 5 Matic in here, less than $5 worth of Matic. So now I'm going to supply my bank with this asset. But before I do that, I need to make sure I leave a little bit of Matic to be able to make transactions. So I'm not even going to start this bank with $5. I'm going to start this bank with $4. Okay, I'm going to supply it. Let's say I put max, and then I'm going to leave 4.25 Matic will go in. So about $4, and I can keep playing around with this number till it hits $4 exactly. I'm going to press OK. Here is going to make a Polygon blockchain transaction. This is why we're doing this on Polygon. The price of this transaction is 0.01 Matic coin.